I've previously been able to finally get the screen to come back on by trying to do several different firmware updates, but it just doesn't take the firmware updates 100%. As you can see on here, whenever you go through, a lot of this stuff has changed from whenever it's originally set up. And then also, if you come in here to print from SD card, and obviously I have the nozzle temperature set up at an appropriate level, but whenever I come here and I click on my file, it's not heating up the nozzle, it's just heating up the bed. And I have to go in there and manually change everything, so it's just not working right. And then also, whenever I do get things to print, it's just constantly shifting layers and it's going back and forth. I've loosened and I've tightened the belts. I've done everything I can think of. I've looked on the internet and everything just doesn't line up. It was working just fine before I did that firmware update for it, and basically bricked this for like a day or so until I kept playing with it, and then finally got the screen back on, but it's just still not working 100% like it should be.